So that's it for the main data set. And let's check the completion. So we have open perforation from this, okay, down to that. If I fast forward to the next time step, I will have open completion, open perforation from, okay, in Z layer number 2. If I show grid and then, okay, and then intersection, I want to, sorry, the location of my well, 26, 26, okay. Oh, I'm sorry. So I'm basically want to maintain the 26. Okay, like this. And then let's make it transparent. Okay. So you can see we have the first connection to the reservoir at, sorry, at the fourth, you see, at the fourth section, at the fourth grid block in Z direction. We do not perforate the caprock, of course. We start the perforation at the top of the aquifer, right below the caprock. Okay, and then we extend the perforation down to the last one. Okay, grid number 50 in the Z direction. Okay, now we want to reduce the number of grid blocks in Z direction to just 20. Okay, and let's do that. Oh, not this one. Go to schedule, props, nothing to change. So okay for props. The main thing is, of course, the schedule. All right. So here, the COMDAT. I want to start the COMDAT not right below the caprock because I want to, minimize the risk of, fracturing or opening the caprock. I want to put my first completion, my top completion, top perforation well below the caprock. Okay, so let's start the completion maybe from 7 and then to the bottom of the aquifer 20. That's the location of my COMDAT. Okay, X26, Y26, Z 7 to 20. Only that basically, and then well stray we inch gas, nothing. This one, okay. All right, that is basically the thing that we need to do. And the last thing is, of course, we need to reload the model. Okay, so I'm going to reload the model. All right. Now let's see definitions. We already reduced the Z layer to just 20 grid blocks. So it's successful. And then let's count it manually, uncheck transparent. So we have Z number 1, the top of the model, and Z number 20. You see, the bottom of the model. Let's say the porosity. You see clear difference. This one, we have 2 grid blocks in Z direction for the caprock, and the rest will be for the aquifer. The same thing for permeability, XYZ direction, Young's modulus, Poisson ratio. We make distinction between the caprock and of course the aquifer. Okay, and Lastly, of course, the completion. Uncheck the show grid. Now you see. All right. I make it down to the bottom of the aquifer or the bottom of the well, grid number 20, and starting from grid number 7. Let's check again. So the schedule, we start from 7, okay, down to 20. So it should be 7, 8, 9, 10, you see, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 16, 17. Sorry. Or we can also go to wells, CO2. Okay. Yeah, later we need to run the model. But basically we have connection from grade 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, down to 20. Okay, and maybe we can show grid and then do the same thing per section. All right, and then transparent. Okay, grid number 7, 8, 9, down to grid 20. So that's it. You reduce the number of grids in Z direction, and you also change the completion in Z direction. Okay, so I think that's all. I hope you enjoy this video. I hope this video is useful. If you think this video is useful, please don't forget to subscribe and support this channel. Okay, so see you again and thank you.